In this video, I will show you how to connect hosting or domain to Wix. So from in there, just enter in here the same domain name. I'll just choose this domain name right here and click on the search icon. Once you have done that, you can see in here some match from .com as well as other suggestions like .net, .info, and a lot more. So just choose which one you want to use. For this, I'll just choose in here the .com. Just click on this make it yours option, and then from in there it will load you to the cart of your hostinger. So what you can do in this case is to just head over and then purchase this domain from hostinger. Just enter your payment information in order to purchase it. Now once you have purchased it, head over to your Wix, scroll down and click onto the settings. Now after that, scroll down again and click on domains, and then you can just connect those two together by inputting the domain name that you have purchased from Hostinger. We have in here this and then the .com. Just click on this let's go option. And then if you already purchased it, just follow the on-screen instructions in order to actually purchase it.